Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you this new snorkeling mask that I got. It's super awesome. It has this 180-degree panoramic view. It's high definition. The flat lens is really awesome, high quality, so when you do take it underwater, you don't get dizzy and you can see really well underneath the water. Inhaling, exhaling, it feels so smooth and just like you're breathing normally. And it also has a double layer design, so when you are breathing in the mask, it doesn't fog up the lens at all. To put it on, you first hook this part in just like this, and so you have the actual snorkel just like that. And this is the GoPro attachment that comes with it, and it also comes with this little mesh bag, like a little carrying case, the instructions on how to use it, and the earplugs. So to put it on, you just put it over your face